Here's a more detailed explanation of systematics and taxonomy. Systematics and taxonomy are two interconnected fields of biology that deal with organizing and categorizing living organisms. They provide us with tools to understand the relationships between different species, and how they are related to one another in the grand tapestry of life. Taxonomy is concerned with classifying organisms into different groups based on their shared characteristics. The basic unit of classification is the species, which is a group of individuals that can interbreed and produce fertile offspring. Taxonomists assign each species a unique scientific name, typically consisting of two parts, a genus name and a species name. For example, humans belong to the genus Homo and our species name is sapiens. This binomial nomenclature helps in identifying and referring to species accurately and universally. Taxonomy uses a hierarchical system to organize and arrange species into broader categories. The hierarchy begins with the most inclusive category, the kingdom, which divides organisms into distinct groups based on fundamental characteristics. Currently, there are 5 recognized kingdoms: Animalia, animals; Plantae, plants; fungi, protista, protists; and Monera, bacteria and archaea. Within each kingdom, organisms are further divided into phyla, classes, orders, families, genera, and species, in a hierarchical manner. For example, within the animal kingdom, there are several phyla such as Chordata, which includes vertebrates, and Arthropoda, which includes insects, spiders, and crustaceans. Each phylum is then further divided into classes, orders, families, genera, and species, based on increasingly specific characteristics. Systematics, on the other hand, focuses on understanding the evolutionary relationships between organisms. It involves analyzing the similarities and differences in their physical traits, genetic makeup, and evolutionary history. Systematists aim to construct phylogenetic trees, also known as evolutionary trees or cladograms, which illustrate the evolutionary connections between species. Phylogenetic trees are built using various sources of data, including morphological features, such as anatomical structures, genetic information, such as DNA sequences, and fossil records. By comparing these data, scientists can determine which species are more closely related to each other and how they are descended from common ancestors. The construction of phylogenetic trees helps us understand the evolutionary history of life on Earth. It reveals patterns of diversification, speciation, and extinction events over millions of years. For example, it can show how different species of birds are related, or how humans are connected to other primates. Together, taxonomy and systematics provide a comprehensive framework for understanding and organizing the immense diversity of life. Taxonomy categorizes organisms into distinct groups based on shared characteristics, while systematics explores the evolutionary relationships and history between those groups. This understanding is crucial for various fields of biology, including ecology, conservation, and biomedical research. It allows scientists to identify and study specific groups of organisms, track their distribution and abundance, and investigate the shared characteristics and adaptations that have emerged throughout evolution. In summary, taxonomy is the process of classifying organisms into hierarchical groups based on shared characteristics, while systematics aims to uncover the evolutionary relationships between species. Together, they provide us with valuable insights into the complex and interconnected nature of life on Earth. If you want to have the notes of today's topic, check out the description below. If you want to have notes of any topic of your any subject, please ask in comment box. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share.